Hello everyone, it's me again, Miss Diane. I heard that some of you are having problems with calculating pounds and ounces. I think kilograms and grams is pretty good. You guys all get that because I know you are familiar with kilograms and grams. But as you know, pounds and ounces, this is not really widely used. As most countries use metric system, but there are actually just 3 countries who still use imperial system that includes ounces and pounds, which are Myanmar, an Asian country, Liberia, an African country, and USA. Obviously, it's from North America. So that is why probably you've never heard of pounds and ounces. So now let's begin. I want you to remember one thing. 1 pound is equal to how many ounces? Yes, it is 16 ounces, right? Which is heavier, 1 pound or 1 ounce? 1 pound is obviously heavier than 1 ounce. In fact, 1 pound is equal to, it's like the same weight as somebody's shoes. Yeah, it's like a shoe. So 1 pound is equal to like 1 shoe. And 1 ounce is actually just as heavy as your, what's this? What is that? Your pencil. Yeah, it's like 1 pencil. So as you can see, 1 pound is equal to 16 pencils. Okay, I hope this would help you remember it. Is this clear now? Right, so let's just keep that in mind. I will put that right here. Remember, for pounds, I will use red, and for ounces, I will use blue, just so it would be easier to remember. So again, 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. And let's keep in mind that we are answering workbook, page 35. All right, so this is like 16 pencils, okay? Let's begin. 16 pounds and 2 ounces. And then we have 5 pounds and then 11 ounces. Okay, that's 11. Addition. So we will add first. Okay, we already know that 16 ounces is 1 pound. So if our pounds, if it is greater than, if our ounces is greater than 16 ounces, if the blank ounce, if this becomes greater than 16 ounce, we already know that we will add 1 pound to this one. Okay, let's make a grid. Okay, here I will put pound, here I will use ounce. So here for this part we have 16 and here we have 5. Here we have 2 and then here we have 11. We will add addition. So first question, 2 plus 11, is it greater than 16? So 2 plus 11, we get 13. So 13 is less than 16 ounces, which is equivalent to 1 pound. I hope this would help. So I hope you remember this part where I told you about 16 pencils in 1 shoe. 13 being less than 16 ounces, should we add 1 pound? No, definitely not. Okay, 16 plus 5 is equivalent to 21 here. So we have 21 pounds and 13 ounces. Do we have to put 1 pound here? No, because this is not greater than 16.